he was beaten brutally. Ngeshambo, I was like,
what? Guys, in fact, there's someone and Domnando.
Eshopini nomuntu omnyama uhlezi uthengisa ayikho. Ngifika ngithi khandlela ayikho. Ngifika ini ayikho. Mangijimela kuma my friend like
Fast.
Abantu bastock abadlali manje wena.
Because I know ukuthi uthanda amateki. I will manufacture another take and it's going to be expensive. Uzathola xa uqoba khona.
Ulandi another one.
If I understand because they understand.
Athi ke masikudlula ingane sinasikhathi sokucabanga so trapa yena lo sithengisele lo masiseni.
So she did the week.
I feel like Thandeka is really annoying, really untidy, very dirty. Because like
let's be honest, you've been cooking. Let us cook, guys. Hear me out. Okay, I hear what you're saying.
No Cap Podcast. Up next.
Hi guys, welcome to another special episode of No Cap, guys. This is episode 6, guys. If you are new, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time we drop, guys, you'll be notified. If you don't know me, guys, if you are new watching our show, guys, Sutolemina is me, aka Mfana Watembuti. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of us. Today's petty, I'm a guesty. Today's petty is naughty. Guys, crazy. So, guys, as you can see, so guys, I'm gonna start from my far left, guys. The best host of the previous show, which was Bafana Batek. But yeah, man. Okay, let me start from my far left. Special one up on
guys, in fact, there's someone and Domnando.
On the highest level.
But when I'm afraid to the mile on Sako Mabuza in Tombies, guys, as always, I have new one. Before when I'm trying, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press that notification button so that every time we drop. Hey, she's out, guys. You know, guys. It's challenge fair again. Next, keep on commenting. Suggest isn't this Kulumanga, Esna Kulmangazo. To a good next episode of it to it's in the camera engamba wasn't introduced.
Special Dora.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To my thing was near subscribe and like and comment.
Press that notification button.
Sure fit nanyazi it's your boy people here aka Mama Spoil nanyazi 2016.
Hi guys.
Keep on some highest level.
Of course.
So guest because you know what? I'm cooking on some highest level. Samba no mutezo ozozazisa ngiyamazisa mina ngingamazi nina because niyazi bafethu sihlelo siphethe lento eyishukela etiyeni ngalo ngicela ukuthi lo i-guest yethu today lo ngize naye namhlanje as introduce asitshele ukuthi ubani wakabani dume ngani phetheni
Udume ngani?
Yeah, all our fate. The teens lan uThim Ntombi Mxhosa ndiyathetha mos ndiyaqhamuka ndiyaqhamuka sure. Let's go, Baba.
Thank you. No, man, we really appreciate you, man, to be part of our show, man. I hope you're gonna have fun. Because there's nothing serious, bro. We're just talking about like the current stuff. You engage. If you know, you know. If you don't know, just listen
Forget about it.
And put your 2 cents here and there. Yeah, man. But like you guys, last it was Nsako's birthday, and then so last it was Nsako's birthday, and then last week it was mine as well. Yeah, man, I had fun actually.
Yeah, next month they am feature.
Why not
Before Spagupi was fucking story of it, I would like to say happy belated birthday.
Shut up.
Keep on growing, keep on cooking. Some camera level.
No, shut up, man.
So guys, shout out to Sole. Ngicela ukusasibekela amazwi since I 1 year older than the last episode. Ngicela ukuthi asifakele nyana amazwi nje. Words of encouragement.
No man, like bro, like just stay safe, look after yourself. That's what is needed in this life. Just look after yourself. And then shout out to you for wishing me a happy birthday. Shout out to you for wishing me a birthday. I think even Bosch, right? Yeah, I think it was Nsako, Dimples, Bosch. Yeah, man. Out of 15, 16 people, it's only 3 of you guys. Even Obi. Yeah, even Obi came through. Yeah. Shout out to the 4. The rest of you guys, shame on you. Shame on you.
Viewers, because some viewers are
No, I'm not talking about like my viewers. I'm talking about people on the group of the channel. So it's only 4 of you who came through and said your happy birthday, which is I appreciate you guys. Your birthday just come once. Finally in Christmas. Yeah. So people who say shout out to you who said happy birthday, it means a lot. So I really appreciate you guys. It means a lot. Dimples. So yeah, man. So the first question of the day that I have. Just the first topic of the day. I saw in America, right? Right now we still have like your Uber boys who are running around in scooters. Abanye baya hijack, baba tatili ama pizza or ikuta in general. But in America, they are using like robots to deliver food and whatnot. What to take on such improvement if it hasn't happened South Africa? Let me start with you, Nsako.
For me, I feel like a sick thing because what color unemployment rate is very high.
Okay.
So if you introduce robots, kuba ungathi ukhatha off abantu abane-potential or abantu abadinga umsebenzi ukuthi bayenze those things for wena badeliver. So I feel like if i-robot ifana ne-AI iqeda imisebenzi yabantu. And then if siya continuous allow izinto ezifana nama-robot, sasa won't have teachers. So when AI nama-robot who teach you. So mas allow riding kuya ngokuthi amathuba omsebenzi ayancipha ukuthi maybe at least if this year stick ku 98% unemployment, should next year must improve, stick ku 80 or 70%. So if we introduce robots as yearly instead say higher 100% unemployment rate, so
are you saying so what you're saying is like SA is not ready for like a robot to do some stuff?
Yonke into ekhona, whether it's America, Africa or wherever, I feel like aswafuni ngathi asicorrect, because if asicorrect it means make it timeline ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi soba ready for ama-robots. Once we introduce i-robots, ijimina ngiyi-sales assistant. So if once we introduce i-robots ukuthi liyenza ama-sales, shoot me now on every place.
Already in America they do have shops who operate without
you see,
so when yourself kuna camera inside
operation to the robots.
So you take your mpahlas and scan and then pay. Then you get out of the shop.
So if kunentenjalo, there's no need for amacation. Shoprite I think amacation because robots can automatically do whatever a human being can do.
But I'm a floor assistant, to be honest. Sometimes kulandelwa ungena studio 88 umuntu la.
You know why? Let me get on that point. Abanye baphendula topic. Intenzo sinlandele. Because economy is what kunzima ukushopa ePower, because ePower you guys follow us around wherever we go. Once wanikeza chance yokuphefumula uyatshontsha.
Okay.
So ngize ngasho ku manager ngathi yazi i-reason benginyenya ukungena kubo sports scene bo maskipa ba. Once ungena kule shop bala, and
like you can't make any decisions because umuntu uphefumula emva kwakho. Give me space, bro. Do you understand, bro?
I understand. So I made a go and benga studio, because studio, at least the sports in the studio, landela up until You understand? So in terms of it's because when we shoplifter, when I was keep aside this here, yeah,
but like I hear some guys, ne? But like why don't they have lawa clippers lawa like if uphuma lapha ikhono khali?
You know, it's all in a good way. It's all to my family battle sasses and a grind of young England. I have got this game. So see now I'm attack. When you are machine keep it tech, Pelitech it just need a magnet strong.
Yeah.
Or fire the magnet to keep it tech. So learn the lefan was useless. The only thing you solve is shoplifting or stock loss. Would see once we get a toilet shop, was toilet mailing you. And I also feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, bro, like it's to be honest, it's something
I
else.
understand you guys.
Because in some places, like you, like some people can't think if they are overcrowded or by land. Like I need time.
So do you even think that they make you take something you didn't even plan on taking? Cause like, you are following me like I'm a thief. I'm not a thief. I'm here to buy.
Exactly, bro. We're international. We're international. Yeah. Go ahead.
Team is there to shop. Kahle ngendlela honest. Mina ngilapha ukuzojonda. So, usithola ngeke abhulu ukuthi okay, lo honest lo loyal, lo uzoshop aphuma hambi, lo uzojonda. So usithole must follow everyone because guys, it's stock loss warning. And the warning lasts 3 months. And umthetho if is shop in a stock loss after 3 months, kuyenza sin stock loss. Let's say a stock take, let's say stock take siyenzwe ngabo my 15. Le after 3 months siyenza ngabo my 1 mind you I got expired. No mu month 3 of expiring ye warning. Leyo month 3 nge 1 bayabuya for the stock take but always still kune stock loss. We have 6 months warning. 6 months warning. Buyers after 3 months again, because if you shop in the stock loss, they assess every after 3 months. Buyers after 3 months pass into stock loss, but you're getting your stock loss 1 year warning. After 1 year warning, it's the same process. After 3 months, but when bazo check out a stock is pumil, any units are pumil, a shop ends a malini. After you.
No, I hear you, Dana. Yo. Can we pay for Mula? When we're shopping?
You cannot, guys.
And then Donna, your take on like robots and stuff taking over, like delivery wise and whatnot.
Okay, mina ngizothi sithole then tole for me.
Personally.
Yeah, for me I like it. Okay, sharp ngaba into ukuthi izoqedela abantu umsebenzi.
Okay.
Poverty obvious. Yabo mara kwelinye side la phinde ukuthi like aba njengoba busho la ukuthi abantu bama bayabanjwa bayabulala
hijack being killed for pizza. Yeah, I hear you. Okay.
Yeah, so kanjalo man ilona nabantu ababulalayo yareduceka lento le hijacking
because impilo yomuntu you can't ayifani nescooter.
Yabo.
Yeah, you can't buy it.
Ayikho imali engabhadala impilo yomuntu. So kanjalo ngithi mina for mina angisho ukuthi azi la eSouth Africa marobot.
So
imali sayidinga guys asikaqoqo.
But inkinga phela manje boma KFC boma McD ba introduce letter screen if ufika lapho so I feel like baspera ama jobs abantu because uma ufika uyo order kule machine then uhamba nento so order
yeah ufike lapho so
ubhadala yabo so imagine if nasemathilini la uthi ubhadala sekutake over ama robot.
Yeah, but like I think it's a good thing, especially le which you selected menu because umuntu like guys we can't fight AI. It's that era. Like it or not, lento le ukuthi uzofika lapha ushayina uyabheka ukuthi usithole umnyama okay let me save lona ngoba uyele bone or ngoba lona ngiyamfuna or what ayisekho. You get online, you do your menu,
but imagine if it's tole but create ama bodyguards for ama cashier, security and all the stuff. Will we have that job onayo namhlanje? No. So I think
on the journey
but ama AI
It's a no.
Alright.
But we're already there, bro.
But if AI
Think about it.
Tole.
Yeah.
If namhlanje bakwazi ucreate AI yokukhethela ukuthi ufunani ukhethe wena lapha yona just iyayenza whatever maybe yenze then keep it sleep. Imagine kusasa ba create lezo by security.
Ekulethela ukudla no. Yekele ekulethela ukudla egate.
No, ile bengibasendela yona.
Kusasa lalela. Mina.
Egate wena uya order nje.
I'm not against. But imagine Tole sasa ba creator AI abakwazi kuba makesha security sales assistant sasa wena indawo yakhe kuphe ezweni because eqaleni
here's my answer on that.
Wait, just a minute. Maba introduce when you born ngathi effective cause no need ukuthi you get AI izos up until kusasa ithatha umsebenzi wakho as a security.
I hear you, ne? Hear me out on this one. We had COVID, lockdown and everything, ne? That's where they come up with what you call a drone. No, I'm a drone to deliver food because now you can't go outside. So
I feel like when I was told you are too healthy for the episode.
What are you saying, bro?
It's effective for you. So during Corona, they were right 14. But it's tall.
Okay,
you have to pay rent.
Yeah.
And the good robot was going to 7 just perfect without even complaining. Why this man can call it 4,000 instead of 4.5?
Okay, when your take.
Bulentole ama AI.
Yeah.
My robot.
I Cochrane man into South Africa.
Okay.
Ukuthi
What are you saying?
Okay.
Yeah, South Africa Cochrane because like we are far over city of the teaching in
Yeah, we told you.
Nama 3 years, nama 7 years, wama 9.
We want
just insert less into the
yeah, but no for
guys. Bro, we once had a conversation about AI on this show. Corner lie and no cap. We once had this. I said, guys, these things is coming. We like it or not. It changed. Every time if there's a change, people are gonna feel some type of way. With hypo, but you'll end up adapting. So hear me out. Hear me out. What I'm saying is, let's prepare ourselves. We can't stop this movement. The AI are coming.
No, we can, but if when we want not effective for when I am going to stop because Sasa told by creating AI was going to 7 work. Sasa when you have to go back home. You have to do the joint level so that you provide for the kids.
Nah, you can't change it this time around because who's about to robot? Once Betty, you are intruder, they are shooting your ass.
No, guys, no.
Yes, that's where it's going. Where are you going? Okay, we're so places is so good.
But kusasa ngeke ube nomsebenzi wena. Ngeke ube nomsebenzi yokushayela i-code 14 because kune robot elikwazi ukususa truck la libeke northwest already. Sasa wena unasibani sokushayela leyo truck uyibeke.
What I will say is this, Ntsakone. We are intelligent human beings, ne? AI is just like we install information.
But
Let me out. Let me cook. So what I'm saying is this, ne?
Yes.
When time comes, ne? Before we're not gonna do this. We sit here and we see now we are just debating about AI and how the robots are taking over and whatnot. Before we're not gonna be sitting like this. Somebody was supposed to be on mine digging and everything. This is advanced. Now we are sitting in front of camera. We are saying these things. We are educating somebody who haven't seen this. What me and you were talking about. So what I'm trying to say is people are adapting. When time goes, things shift. Instead of us pickering whatever, a brand deal can come now. You don't have to go where you do the catching up and everything. We can sit here, discuss about the robots, like the damage that they're doing and everything, and we get paid. So what I'm trying to say is things are moving, we like it or not. Do you get me, T?
I'm getting you, but there is a no in this.
Okay,
there is
why?
a no. Okay, so it take care of this, ne?
Yeah.
Mna ndithi 50-50 ne. I-right ayikho right.
Okay.
Seconding onsakho.
Okay.
It's not okay. Mele sisebenze. We have families to provide. Thanda impahla mele ancibe. You understand? So i-robot xa uzothatha umsebenzi wakho. You are already on the line. Uzolala.
If but understand, if but by introducing robots ukuthi ni serve customer but kuya ngawe as knowledge yakho ukuthi umuntu kumele serve customer service. So wena uba just behind the scene kwi-robots, i-robots ihamba.
Which is another solution.
I think yila sikwazi ukubenefita so ukuthi sithole manje angazwe.
Wait. Are you saying ukuthi i-robot uzokulandela?
No, when you just sit there, let's say you go abukela ama Rock Rangers or ama in. Labo I'm red, pink, but labo
Rangers.
What
are you saying?
Abe ne fight ne-monster enkulu. So if aba ne fight ne-monster enkulu, wonke they stick together.
I'm sorry.
Slicer when I'm just gonna throw this is so if party le robot who's serve I have to be behind the robot. Go to usithole uthanda uku-order namhlanje sithole ufunani khona into extra thing we add kulento you get.
So it's like
not
behind the scenes.
Yes. So not to put robot.
This is where I was going, ne? I said there's always going to be a job for us because we are intelligent human beings. These things, we feed these things information.
When they are brainwashed, this
No, brainwashed. You're taking on this.
Manje KFC option ukuthi if wena ubhadala ngecard no need ukuthi uhambe uye ku-cashier vele uye ekhadini angithi
and there is less cashiers. There is less cashiers.
Manje ubona ngathi effective ngoba if you call receive cash that side. Once you get used to law or collect card, saza bafaka lo or collect cash when you see that I bayenza kahle because there's no need to steal in attitude cashier or you get guys sasa they introduce more then you end up not having a job because when you didn't notice from the start brainwash into thinking robots
singintshele okusalayo noma ningathi ama-robot basho wacima kwavutha yabasala fat paraffin okusalayo eventually njengoba esho sithole kuzomele
it's up to us
thina ngasivumi
if a KFC by introduce the machine there, then we start to say afuka so you pull. A KFC needs corruption, needs us with the money. So a KFC needs to listen to us. So if guys,
back in the day, ne, you had to put money inside the envelope we seal.
Yeah.
We hambis. Nowadays we just e-wallet each other and whatnot. We like it or not. This thing is coming.
We are both
these things manje unsako right now usaba nokuthumela imali i-hard cash ku anti wakhe somewhere ne manje uthi hey I rather send just ama number because imali uzongiloya. We are moving like it or not ntwana
ithini nina nithuni mela ama robot nama AI
no yazo ayibawela usithole nozungu ba brainwash after kusasa babona ukuthi uzungu no sengina 5 years ngihlela nginamsebenzi and the robot lesebenza lokusenze mele ngisebenze
and
looking back looking back i-robot lelo khala 6,000 for ukuyenza le job and manje i-robot trust me, you gonna look back and say, hey, I'm a robot. That's why it's bias brainwash. I'm not saying
is not taking people's job.
Imagine
But I'm
it takes
saying,
a lot. It took a lot. You just order online. Go no moping ufuna yabo mop lo yabo mop asendlini
Anguphethe lo
and the only way that I can get that mop ukuthi take a lot. Imagine if kusasa ngiye shop yakho ngiyo-order wena as a manager you're losing sales. Mina ngisebenzisa robot or whatever ukuthi yonke into i-deliver kimi fast. So kusasa umop ngiyawubona take a lot is 250 ngiyawu-order. Awunayo ishop yakho awuluza ama-sales. So i-robot I feel like maybe mele ube kwi-state soku-leader or sokwenza ama-sales in order to understand ukuthi you need that particular somebody ukuthi uzuphumelele.
Alright, okay guys, let's go to another topic because the AI one, we're gonna finish the whole show while we're still talking about one thing. But like, okay, you guys, I'm sure you do watch Big Brother and stuff.
Yeah.
So what's your take on Big Brother ending and what's your take on the winning?
Yo, mina guys, so hijack us to it. I feel like Thandeka is really annoying, really untidy, very dirty. Because, like, guys, angeke ngiyechamele sinkini. Even though it's toilet, now again growing up, you know, ukuthi kunale bhodlela lingathinta or kunale bhodlela lethunta every once in a while. I can't claim ngiyosebenzisa lela bhodlela le 3 legs ukuthi ngoba lela balisebenzisi, so I have to steam my face. So it's not like benefits and stuff. That's my reason. It's not like they were using the pots. I did ask Big Brother who provide a pot for me. You understand? So I mean, I feel like beside liking Oliema, but I feel like
when you were rooting for
Liema,
were you?
Yeah,
Okay.
I was rooting for Liema or Q. Okay, probably one between the 3.
And then I guess when you take on Big Brother ending
and then the win
and the winner as a lot of people say is age rigged, and then you take on it.
Yeah. I was wishing that Q Atatimani. Yeah, Thandeka has been troubled.
Okay, Thandeka guys, Thandeka is being bazozo.
But isn't?
But I feel like I use ngendlela engekho here.
But the Big Brother. Okay, that's what I was going. You are saying Thandeka was like a troublemaker.
Yeah.
But like, isn't the drama that you guys wake up in the morning and watch or maybe?
That's why I'm saying
but it was unhealthy.
Yeah.
It was very unhealthy.
That's why I'm ngisho ukuthi uThandeka beka ubazozwa. Like truly speaking, besizwa ngoThandeka. Straight. But uThandeka beka ngekho healthy towards other housemates.
Yeah.
And then Dimples, your take on Big Brother and the winner?
Mina yabona nje mina bengayibukeli leyo nto kodwa bengibona obvious ku Facebook, TikTok.
Okay.
Uthandeka le ntombazana angiyithandi yosiyo. Yana uyadelela ungcolile.
Yes, okay, do you think ayithandi do lezi zinto?
Guys, namanga.
No, but like this is
I think umama ke. Mama ke ngikhohle but
guys, this is
Minister of Sun.
Okay, it's
This is Mzansi.
manini ngiqedile ukukhuluma.
Okay.
Yeah. Uthandeka ungcolile wenza konke lokhu yadelela nani but uye bengimela win la muntu la. Uyobeka abakhipha ishow ending.
No, but you know he's
she carried the show, man. She carried the show.
Njengoba bomusho ukuthi uthandeka uwelo le ntombazane lebe ebe yipho abantu ababukela
She was the one did it. Yeah, she was the one.
No, so it's easy for you to say. Imagine if you had Thandeka in your house.
No, right now we're talking about entertainment.
Before sifika ilalela ba. Before sifika Thandeka. Would you stand Thandeka in your house?
No, but for entertaining.
Yeah, that's
for
what I'm
entertaining,
saying.
I would like to have because she brings views. You understand?
Yeah. That's why it's been Thandeka since Ubazozwa. She's there. Ubazozwa, a queen. But into bekasinikeza yona to talk about Kamele Sinki nokugeza ngemoto. You get it's nothing much. Asinike yona but ukuthi uba bazuza cause every week
Wait, okay.
Thandeka.
Okay.
Thandeka carried the show I think from episode 1 or episode 2.
Okay, why
so it's been Thandeka and then since uLiama beka umuntu okwazi ukumelana against uThandeka. So no Thandeka has been nanoma bangathi uThandeka iqueen yesiyamosha and stuff but uLiama nayo guys stood her ground.
And then
the Q stood at his ground. Trishi bafethu mina my top 4.
Hola Trishi.
On my point of view. Mina I say shout out to Liam. Liam ngamthanda from last year. Sapis nabo ban. Now this year, if bengasu make you win last year, ngawu Liam win. No, so I win this year. Phela umuntu akaphumanga last year.
You mentioned Sweet Gulu.
Whatever, Sweet Gulu. Yo, I'm telling you right. Phela mina bengibhekelela. Alesa store, alesa people uzongixolela mara nase.
Angithi nabona ukuba nje off topic yena ukhuluma ngedoko thina sikhuluma ukuthi ubani la win.
Okay,
Yeah, masova.
Okay.
Kuyilento Big Brother bekumele kube ne-one and both uLiama noThandeka they gave us a show. Without uLiama there was no show. Without uThandeka there was no show. But guys, njengoba nonke niphendula ukuthi you wouldn't survive noThandeka in your life, in your home or house. That's guys.
Look.
That's
Let's be honest. You've been cooking. Let us cook, guys. Hear me out. Okay, I hear what you're saying. Okay, I hear what you guys are saying. To marry or to stay with, of course you are not gonna take Thandeka. Because there's Lily Cuckoo and the head. But when it comes to carrying the show, because we watch to be entertained. Let me cook. Uliam, firstly, not the one you was but the previous one. She was there. Big Brother. Which is she already have like she already created. Hear me out. Let me cook. Yes. She already have a fan base. She already have one music and everything. She have a name for herself. Right. The other one, they gave her 200K to leave the other show. Then she took that 200K and ran with it. Then she came back again. Do you understand?
I feel like, guys, let's not blame.
Yes.
Let's not blame Uliam. Because Uliam, I thought I was gonna be a fake housemate. Big Brother, maybe we see Uliam in the form of maybe I'm a top 2 or top 5. Let us vote for I'm a top 5 or each and every show.
Thandeka. She may have little cuckoo on the head or something, but like she really deserved that 2 million.
I understand.
So why am I saying this? She's the one who was keeping people awake. Yeah. She was the one giving people the reason to go and watch. Yes. That's why when you even see your McGee's and everything, they were rooting for her because we wanted that. We wanted to see drama.
We wanted to see
we wanted because now we have no, it's entertainment. You are inside the house.
Okay,
Mara interview G Thandeka. I go see the cooker on the show. Thandeka is being with Thandeka because Thandeka will see the reason you would say younger to go to Big Brother never provided anything but I better with that. So Thandeka will low mood even in real life, guys. You can't live with Thandeka.
No, we're talking about entertainment. We're talking about being entertainment.
Imagine manje so phila nomuntu
do you understand?
Osebenza ithini kule boss ubode
So but like you understand when Look, this thing's like Uliam. Of course, congratulations.
Shout out to
the winner. I see you winner.
Yeah, man.
Let's just congratulate Uliam.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
man. She's been in the show, but ukuthi manje ubuye kwenye show.
Ubuyeleni show.
Wow.
2 million.
Ezinye ingane check.
2 years back ngamela itholi.
Okusalayo
That was not a fake game.
Okay, beyangayasinike lutho okusalayo siyambongela uLiam uwinile lapho lapho vast.
Okay, hi. Shout out to Liema and whatnot. Shout out to Tandeka for carrying
Yes, the drama.
for carrying the show until someone is handed over just like that. So it's okay, Tandeka Pola lapho ngibonile ngibone akulona aku TikTok.
But my friends
Ngibona ku TikTok ne.
Allegedly they raised close to 1 million.
Yes, that's what I was saying. We want the drama. That's what we're looking for, bro. I'm telling you. Yes. You see, even look. Udala uzama khuluma nge umseleku ne. Yes. Because you see a drama on Mseleku. That's why you have a reason to go and watch Mseleku. Yes. That's why the Mseleku is looking. Do you understand? So do you understand? Yes. So if there's no drama, there's no show, bro.
No.
That show is not gonna sell.
Yabona manje sitholene ukuzwile bo.
Nah, I hope Hey guys, on another, interesting topic that I saw KZN, I think it's in KZN or something, where they are telling Somalian guy-ish, I'm not quite sure, that he must close his show. But by Mboz, we say, I'm a permit, do you have permits? This guy is keeping the permits and say, yo, here's the permit. Still, but I'm shy. I hear you, but like, I mean, see, kuna laba bantu abahamba monitor ama shops. Where are they?
Labo bantu abayenzi like every week after a week. So by everyone's in our week.
No, stay now. I wanna ask.
Laba bahamba.
Lama Somalia.
Yes.
Obviously, it's like a food chain. He has a food chain. So so he gets his stock from somebody else. So why you attacking him instead of the
Thank you, T. Thank you, T. My chat, cause like I don't get it. The guy he was beaten brutally. Yeshambo go So as I was saying, she was saying, Guti, this thing ihamba ngama chain. There's someone who's selling. There's someone who's selling you this food.
Yes.
That's what she was cooking, ne? So my take is this, ne? They are like labor people who goes around these other shops and checking dates and whatnot. This means somebody's taking the charge.
Yes, there's somebody playing chess here.
Exactly.
No, you're taking guys. Labantu laba fana ne stock take. They don't do stock take every month. They do it every once.
Yes.
In a while.
I hear you.
So you can't trust them.
No. Hear me out. Let me got you there. Today you come here and check the stock level, right? Only to find out which you're gonna be back in 3 months' time. Whatever that you guys are checking or monitoring, it will tell you which I'm gonna be back in 2 months or whatever, because in my expiring date. Yes. So what you're saying is not valid.
Then fana no kana no clever, clever uzokushaya store stuff like that.
But like don't too much same people, because now they end up buying those
but
people.
But guys.
Yeah, okay.
In the 3 months, in the 3 months,
yes.
Obviously, store angeke silast 3 months, especially ma local.
Zithenga now and then.
Obviously uzawusuka lo mkula lo
Yes.
ahambe ayothenga kulo abuye athengisele nini but nina xa ni-attack lo why ni-attack yena kuye othenge
irresponsibility yakho lo muntu ohamba uyothenga izinto uthengisela abantu ukuthi uzicheck ukuthi
uzawucheck into omkhulu.
No,
okay,
guys,
let's be honest, the boys. Let's be honest. Sinokokotelo my friend lapha ngo-10 cities something.
No.
You don't even have time to check ukuthi lezi zinto ze-expire. You are in a rush. Let's be honest,
guys. All my friends, they just went, like, example here in front of Park. Almost most of them are my friends, are in Devland. So they go to Devland. What's expiry 10? They don't care. They just don't
5 years boo.
They don't like
it. Okay, expiring date okay, shit so
but not as consumers.
Irresponsibility is also for my friends. Because more
wholesalers now.
Exactly. But me tell you to know. They expire.
Thank you, Ntwana. Ufike ngachinchisa ama shelf lapha nini ngambe ngiyothenga ama soap. Expiry like like a soap like Maestro soap.
Oh,
the expiry lapha. Sorry, pronunciation is better.
Yeah.
Soup. Ne. Hey, Soupy! I'm okay!
Mawuthi soaphu yazi ukuthi ha uhealthy
No, soup. The pronunciation yam soup. It's a rural, guess why? So are you good, bro?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Hey, peasant!
It's kicking!
Hey, kicking it! Okay, alright. Yo, this isn't just expired. Everything, land. I do check it every time. Money, like you check. Even to buy Amakos loads.
Yes.
You check.
Yes.
Because I know which these guys sells expired goods and whatnot. But it's our responsibility as well. And another check out your labor, whatever that deal with food and stuff. Yeah, because manje the control level is niggas amount too much. Tina banda bamnyam. It cold drink everywhere, even if we says pass about cool. You see? So I think that's where the problem is. But like, why are you beating up these guys?
Yeah, true.
What's it?
True.
Like, shopping on the
what? I need smudge. La aba stock con. You expect to amaposa check whatever they order. So why would I expect to put lama cola la around? I check with German order Amazon. As I said, we quick state or whatever.
It's not bosses who checks.
Yeah.
It's the
but
people
also,
who do
but also the problem
but
is
once
Cause I still remember Ntwana, sorry Tina to cut you off.
Okay.
There was after Devlin. Laguna, I'm a flat nan. We were criticising to Masboli. They used to. Back in the day. They used to.
Even now.
So even now. So the reason I'm saying this, it doesn't mean Uguti manje. Because now about focus Uguti stock was pela oganjan. But if this thing is expired.
But our focus was Uguti stock was pela, but our focus on your health.
True.
But
that's very true.
But even if when ungafika ne ufike endlini ubona ba impuphu imoshekile and whatsoever xa ubuyele emakuleni you know what they do bazothatha lo elethile wena osoyivulile by keep they still leave the ones eziphumena le package oyibuyisile uthi they're not gonna take it back. I think thina abantu abamnyama ne okay not us only specifically but
I hear you.
Ne?
Yes.
We also have I think this is kwatiswana lento ba they are also not taking action. As let me say or say top because obviously uthengisayo is top. Ne? Cinga na uba okay sharp xa bandithengisela the next time ngafika ndithenge mina ndiyibuyise into ba something is off. When uthathe le mina endiyibuyisile and then sell it to her. Ayibuyise nayo. You gonna sell it to another person. It doesn't make sense.
Yeah, that's true.
It doesn't make sense. You're supposed to take it back to where you bought it and be like, this and this is happening.
And they complain,
they must do something. So I think thina siqhumbiswa lento ba angeke ndisuke apha ndiye apho uthenge khona nzathi xa ndifika mne Devlin ndithi wena understand. So I think it's a lot about you can't do that. Asiqiqe singabantu. Sinikwe le.
Your take on those guys who are beating up my friends because of
Okay, Tina. Okay, guys. Okay, let's say ngihambela ngithenga ngiwamazimba aphingane zadla then one of them uyakulisha yiwe namazimba angeke ngisithani ngibe nesikhathi sokucabanga ukuthi noma lo muntu uyila iDevil ndawo athenga namazimba before azothengisela mina so mangizokwata manje ngizoyilisa yena phela ngithi wena uchecka also thi Mawuthenga uchecka ngani
angeke expect ukuthi kube nayo uchekile yabona yena kuba umuntu
ngikwatela mina because manje ngisho and yabona into engisho
but my question is,
you know, guys,
my question is, hear me out, Nza. My question is this: is it fair, Tina, we took our anger and beat up these guys?
It is.
Guys, no. Who's trying to tell what's my take?
Hold on.
Okay, ayikho fair.
Yes.
Mara, okay, ayikho fair, but not suka squatting ukuthi yena lo muntu phela mavula isiphaza sithole. Mele like ucabanga mfethu ukuthi like lezi zinto lezo uzithengisela zodlo omunye umuntu ucabangela omunye umuntu health yakhe yabo so mele ucheke kona kukho fair ukuthi masikwatile sami subashaya shisi itolo zabo bona benzanga lutho into awenzile ukuthi babekhelese bangacheke nje kuphela ayikho fair
Ntwana
I mean like ayikho fair
at all
ayikho fair because eshopini umuntu omnyama uhlezi uthengisa ayikho ngifika ngithi khandlela ayikho ngifika ini ayikho mangijimela kuma my friend like
fast
abantu ba stock abadlali manje wena ustoka kayi1 evikini ubabona like why mina ngenza umuntu omnyama ngasuku ngokushaya wena umuntu omnyama ngomthengisele ayikho why
lento lena guys sengiyaphendula ngoba ngikwatile guys angeke expect to inspect amaze shop it's not your fault. Your fault yena uthenge khona. It's your fault because before mina uzongithengisela impuphu kumele wena ucheck ukuthi impuphu i-right ukuthi ngathengisela the next angithi wena uyithenga uyithemba. So nami ngiyithenga kuwe because ngiyayithemba. So guys asipatrapeni because I am going to
wait. Are you saying you must be the one?
Okay, expect to inspect it. Bra, sorry. Actually, fault here, I'll tell you.
No, but
because
guys, hear me out.
Ngithenge lento la engayithembi khona kodwa ngithengisele wena ukuthi uyithembe. So in order ukuze ngithengisele wena kumele ngithembe ukuthi le coke le i-coke 100% original or amboba key.
You must take some pen.
Okay. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Uthe ndithenga kuye ngoba ndimthembile. Right? So shuthi no my friend uthenga kubo because ubathembile.
Obviously
ngeke ublame my friend ukuthi angeke ublame la my friend athenge khona. Mele ublame my friend ukuthi my friend akuthenga lento ngoba uyithembile. So why mina mele ngithembe
wena imali unasikhathi sokucabanga
nathi ke masidlula ingane sinasikhathi sokucabanga so trapa yena lo sithengisele lo masindi.
Should the situation
my friend
the food chain is also wrong while nabantu abaphansi are also wrong.
So chain. So mina ngishaya my friend my friend yoshaywa eDevlin yoshayisa plan.
But isn't part of promoting indaba ye?
No, it's promoting it.
But in xenophobia and whatnot.
So that's
but isn't that the same thing? Do you hear me?
Xenophobia expired is expired. Xenophobia it's guys who speak the skorokoro level.
Like abantu kushana mbodlela.
Okay, I have another question.
Yes.
Okay,
My brother.
I don't appreciate labantu uma becela labambiza ngontsako guys.
But in
Tsako.
It's a call.
They say Tsako. I don't appreciate your operation here guys. My name is Tsako. So operation is like
You can operate.
hear me out now.
yeah.
What's your take on these people who likes buying like expensive like clothes, like your LVs and whatnot? Okay, and then your take on it.
Oh, sorry, before Pendula, also take on what level?
How's it, guys?
What a cousin.
Because we bought it
Lutin like over like
Yes.
kupanga wake
Yeah, I'm soon.
Okay, alright, okay. Let's hear cook, guys.
I-question bithi luthini uvo lwakho ekuthenini umuntu okay let's say mina mangengaphathi imali cabanga impahla edurayo instead of building maybe i-room mkhukhunyana yabo mina okay take care uvo lami leyo question ethi mina ngibona nje loyo usuke isiduphuma kuhlami usuke lahlwa amadlo usuke nje angazi kuyingane yolahleko yo like guys mina sicabangeni sithola ngeke kuzo maybe let's say estimation hola 4,000 million. Leyo 4,000 when uzothi ayeke wonile la phika nomngane wakho lo abamuphi allowance lo abamuphi allowance every month 10 hour maybe yabo ubonile la lana iphuma yakho total player hama na uthenga leyo phuma 3.5 usane 500 endlini akudliwe uhlala emkhukhuna otshekile omenge obhalanse ngestina ulala embhedeni nothi mogibela uthi zing
Hey, zing.
maceda lapho uzohamba 300 mina ngithi and lento lemo mothatha ubheka abantu abamnyama kakhulu
Yes, of course.
ithina thina abantu abamnyama like ungabi nangqondo lokho sithola and futhi enye into unokuthola futhi la abantu abenza lezi zinto labila abantu labo umuntu akhula sibone isimo sakuthi no asikho right isimo sasekhaya kodwa uzofuna usifanisa nomntana se next door ngoba ugqoka lento le nami ngiyayifuna mase masusebenza awucabanga ukuthi no ekhaya badlile ngilala embhedeni onjanjani ukhona Mr Price bafethu angisho phela ukuthi uhambe small street na uthenga Air Force layer 84
Hey, Fufuza.
yabo kodwa nje isicabangeni nami like ukwenza lezi zinto ungazicabangeli like ucabangela imanje ucabangela ikusasa like ucabangela ukuthi no man mangigqokile ngaphuma ngaphandle manje uzothi shit ayagqoka leya lapha bazi ukuthi ngiphuma endlini kanjani yabo so mina ngithi like bafethu kuma viewers bafethu like izimelo zicabangela zicabangela ungayenzi into uzama ukujabulisa abantu thina yomasambe esikadeni vele sokuncoma mara sokuncoma usadlula la siphume kwe fast sinenkinga zethu sokuncoma siyo awugqoke kahle shit yo haye umbonile okay shit ugqoke nakahle siphume kwe fast
phinde idliwe egundwane because awucathanga
uyayibona because umkhukhu ubhobokile phansi akucacile obvious amakhona azokuba idliwe leyo mpahla le so guys mele asizicabangele bafethu
Okay, cool.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen. I think I'm a very conditional being. Like even on this one, I'm taking 50-50. Like, remember, like you said, ekukhuleni bongasumntu othanda like othola lezinto lezo zibona kwabanye abantwana. So now xa sewunemali ufuna uzivisa ne. Ufuna like dibe ulamntu mano pull up ubangena weekend with yabo. So in that I'm saying ukuzivisa ayonto embi. Ne ngelo xesha mane qonda. Qhamke so yabo. Yes. But ingxaki sekutheni ke ngoku. Impahla iyaguga. Right, iyaguga impahla. Whether uyithenge nge 10.5
iyaphupha impahla.
Wayihlamba nje kenye. You understand? So cabanga ke ngoku xa uthatha lo mali oyiholayo wayibeka and then wekha ama-room example wenze room your room le izo-generate imali at the end of the month. Don't you think you're gonna do 10 times what you did ekhaleni ungaholanga?
Of course. Then Sako, you take.
Please repeat the question.
Okay, so we are going, and then when you're saying,
like for me, nane, what's namhlaza ngizosebenza ne. Buy cover. Before nyakude ngibuy cover ngizivise nami like ngikhuluma green like.
Yeah.
Mara
Ngizivise.
Uzothenga ikhavela uthenge lo mbhede lo second hand ongawazi ukuthi bebeni.
no second hand king size not queen king.
Nsako i-question bithi what's your take on labantu laba abathenga impahla ezi-expensive bese like bangacabangi indaba yokwakha
Advantage ne-disadvantage. Uqala guys. Kufana nokuthi ubuze umuntu obhemayo ukuthi ngazi le mali leyo ubhemile ngabe sothenga imoto.
guys 100 rand angeke mas 100 rand asidleni sithenga amakota.
So like
no, but like now
It's a-
the question is coming from like now you are starting to stand on your own. You know where you came from.
I feel like it's for small-minded people. Because why men ngijimisa ukuyothenga into elingana nomfolo wami before ngazi ukuthi ngibathangani endlini. So kuya ngokuthi wena you live to please people or just understand.
Ngibeke kanje ithi uqile. Okanye uqinqa.
I have imani ukuthi siphuze namhlanje siphuze nakusasa na Tuesday. But after lelo viki ngizobe nginani at the end of the day. I do have namanje I have money ukuthi ngithenge lo stuff sakhe ngithenge sami ngithenge sa uteam ngithenge siphuze ngigcwalise itafula but kusasa nginani. You get so lento leta saying is for small minded people because if la ungaka you won't think ukuthi okay namhlanje I can impress usithole mara kusasa ngilani. So lento leyo ngokuthi ukhethe ukuthi itsila kusasa uvuka unento engaka or namhlanje ujabulisa usibanibani or whoever ujabulisa amantombazane yabo. So mina on my personally I live to impress myself.
Yes,
Yazi manje ngishela night incane nokuthi ngingaphuma imali yokugibela but I'm gonna do lento engizitshela ukuthi ngobathi ngiyenza lento le. Manje i-building idinga more than 3,000 and the accounting ne 3,000. But mangibheka ukuthi if ngithi next month this month ngizospenda more than 1 point or 2 point this month. Then next month you about bona labantu engihleli nabo baphuzisa or ngiyenzani angeke bangadvise ukuthi ngitsakuyazi nemali othenga le bill kuphela.
Angithi thina sijabula tshwala phela.
angeke baqeqisise
Personally ukuthi ukhule wena on your own emqondweni wakho before ufuna ukukhuliswa abanye abantu. So you have to grow in order to understand. Angeke ngithenge i-cold drink to please usithole. Usithole while I please usithole kusasa usithole making big moves. Usithole uthenga ikamera.
Abasenandaba ukuthi uthenga cold drink.
uthola uqiqile
And on top of what Nsako she's saying, it's very important to first like try to impress yourself first. Like your internal you. If the internal being is happy, you'll make money in a peaceful way. And another thing, like try to surround yourself with people who want you to see you win. If like ubega idea which you has a kaya umnyango lona udliwe ngamakondwana wana, if that like your friends come and says, yo, Konji, you were saying Gucci ufunu buy umnyango. Why unga buy umnyango nana? Those are friends that you want.
And also don't depend on those particular friends, because good akhona ukuthola umngane uku-advise ukuthi do the right thing.
Yes.
But kulula ukuthola umngane ukuthi akutshela ukuthi ngane 1000 sovuka nayo kusasa.
Yes, I used to have a friend, ne? Story time. I used to have a friend, ne? This guy, he didn't drink much, right? Me and him, we didn't drink much, like, because, like, me, I was asking him, I was like, yo, Puzana, I just, that guy, he had like a break with me on the friendship level. Yo, it started, like, what is some pavu, nabangan and whatnot, they were having fun and stuff. So, you can see which mean I was limiting him because, I'm very ambitious person. You understand? I wanna see myself winning.
Yeah.
If I ever, like, for an example, what you just said, Gucci, you wanna buy a camera. I sleep nice at night just because I bought a camera or I bought a nice lens. You understand? Yeah, no feeling like I learn a man. Ish. Where's this in your zinto learn? Like yo.
I'm saying, you know, I mean, expand lines one upon. So I decided and I went, Manten, so I make you. And they trust me, Manten. I'm the first one to pull out. You with, I'm not mad.
Now I have another place.
Cause Mina got bigger things to do.
Yeah, we have
And
ambition.
another thing.
Yeah.
Yo guys, ngizanixolela mina ne ingqondo yami inkulu.
Yeah.
So now
We want.
we are going back to ama-robots.
Yes.
Yabona abantu abacingi. For the mere fact that wena xa ubona imali ucinga ifame more than yourself. You are giving the topper person to say, you know what? He's making me rich. Let me produce another thing that is gonna limit him from having money. Mina ngibe continue. Because I know what you uthanda ama-take. I will manufacture another take and it's gonna be expensive. Uzathola xa ugqiba khona.
What are the another one? If I
understand?
Yeah.
Because they understand.
Yeah. If I
big on flex because we are easily brainwashed.
Exactly.
So it's up to you guys. It's up to you when uthi mina kusasa ufuna uvuke iteke or nemoto.
Athi you are small.
Iteke nemoto zethu umsebenzi ofanayo. Iteke lizokubeka la ufuna ukufika.
Uzobeka
nemoto
for the rest of the
la ufika khona. But yini ezokwenzela at least the model can generate more income for you. Because sometimes usuzibhakele estradeni iteki lizokhapha eShoprite.
Yeah, ngizokujoyina ngokhisa.
Bese ngikuthengela iblack. So when also that, why at least don't guys something. You know. So it's up to when la.
Yes. Are you clear or not clear?
You must be some higher
And okay, guys, we have come, to the end of our show. Shout out to Lesego.
Sorry. Yazi, khona nje topic bengichakanda
Eat.
I was told as a healthy guys in and out.
Yes.
To umbuzo guys, like, okay, khona le couple le trend yabo, like kuri angithi khona le system mara thina sazi ukuthi system like umjito thatha amantombazana amabili.
Yes.
Kodwa le system lesi intombazane enamajito amabili.
Okay.
Kahle kukanje asike sithi uayanda noThako bajola mina ngedwa. Okay, ufikile angithanda, afike angithanda. Bathi mabatshelana kanti batshelana ngami. Ngoba yithi bayangithanda.
Okay.
Mama obvious mama describe imina obvious.
Lo ifan.
Lo muhle nje
Dimples. Okay. Yeah.
Guys, so like boba yithi bangidescribe babona ukuthi umuntu oyedwa so ba decide ukuthi no like so jana so babili. Like what?
So we are pretending as if asimazi lo muntu.
No, like nyaza.
Oh, okay.
Three relationship.
Okay.
Mangabe sicheckile kwesinye isikhathi bathathu bese isikhathi ngebangalo kwesinye isikhathi
Trap and pass kahle. Trap and pass.
Exactly.
Yes. Yeah, okay.
So what's your take on like do you think it's the right thing to do ukuthi intombazane ibe namadoda amabili?
You must stay before pendulum.
Yes.
If you don't understand, just enlighten me on this.
Yes.
What is the open relationship and what is polygamy? Yes.
Hey, come on, understand.
Let me answer this one.
Yeah.
The open relationship,
Yes.
it's me and you in relationship, ne? Where now you can go and do whatever that you wish. But me and you, we're still in love.
Yes.
Mina ngiyahamba na abantu bami esayitini nawe uyahamba nabantu bakho.
There is open relationship.
Yeah.
And what is polygamy?
Polygamy is where ilento yenza umselingo.
What is that?
Isithembu.
So one person in a polygamy,
It's one person
is allowed to go out, and then we open relationship. We are both allowed to
No. Wait. Open relationship is both of us open.
to go out.
Yes. Me, I have my
Polygamy,
So in
only
polygamy, I'm staying with you, Nsako, and Dimples.
When you are not allowed to.
When you are not going anywhere. So now I'm not going anywhere, but we know which kuna na babantu.
Somebody
I don't know which lena be.
Okay, Silela, what's your take? Yes, Aspielen, what's your take? Yes, Tateni.
I mean, I would not take Leo and Sisi Crank.
Polygamy and open relationship.
With both legs, you understand?
With both legs.
Why?
Because Umchita can provide babies and can.
I would get babies with the two guys. Same to you. Now I'm not coming to Lomunius open the boys.
You're saying, but you're not saying anything. Okay. And then
guys, if I know Shinja impilo yakudala ufuna uyenza impilo yesimanje. Polygamy into esemthethweni, but ngazi bayibizani if intombazane ithatha bayibizani manje?
Yona le.
Yeah. So I think it makes more sense mawumjida athatha more than 2 wives.
Nandiala.
Oh no!
Why many sense mangabe kumchita?
Umchita kungoba facts. Now ku example Mselebo.
You are saying Mselebo is warawara. What is happening kwa Mselebo right now? What do you think?
No, Mselebo, you know why?
Guys,
Makumalo.
No, but it's example. No, but it's example.
Yes,
no, but
Makumalo cannot, according to Mselebo, cannot give what the other wives give.
Yeah, we was talking about
that's why I'm big on Makumalo. So as not fancy Makumalo.
No, but not fancy and specifically. I was just saying the situation in Mselebo's house.
Mselebo, but I think I book in Namhlanje. 2 years back, born a different view.
Yeah, it was
Kuna Namhlanje because Namhlanje Mselebo forced to kufaka number 5 through whatever that's happening. Ukhethile uthi yazini whether you happy whether you smile umakhwele yange.
Which is now
2 years back,
the other ones are going.
Or 3 years back, there was no makhwele.
Okay, now tell you to take care.
Yes,
Take it.
Yo, the from one John is long say one the sentence. Yo, come on. Ne, liyathukana lela lama lenzo abantu.
Yeah.
You cannot ungibele enhloko. Uba wena say this thing. Uba wena, let's say okay, ndingathini, I have a man. C3.
Yeah.
I should be allowed to get another 2 men. Let's go 50-50.
Mawukhuluma wa taste amagama akho.
No, you can't do it. Remember, in a relationship, okay, personal perspective.
Yeah, okay.
That's not been a perspective.
No,
Perspective.
there is a perspective.
Okay.
There is a perspective. Okay, in a sense, I'll tell you in a woman-to-woman relationship.
Yeah.
You cannot.
Why?
Angeke, especially Tina as like women to women, we are very exposed to each other more than a woman with a male. Ne? We are very. What?
Hey, what? Okay.
So like,
Hey, big level.
It's kind of a complication.
No, it's not.
Angeke ugqiba kutya endlini ndiphakele mntazekaya igcwalise iplate.
No, I'm not saying level.
Ugqibe wena ufuna uyotya kwamashaka
On some different level. And I appreciate the people.
Maga empathize. No, maga empathize. Maga empathize.
So ikhuluma wena ntsapho amasimo.
Yes.
That's why you're like, should yima ngicela ukubuza umfako this direct question.
Okay, all right, okay, now.
So when Timna, I'm allowed to be outside, or you are allowed to be outside. Am I?
Uthina angithi siyazi ukuthi idudla le bake.
Ngiyabona masakanga ukuthi
Okay, he's on. Wait, relax. That's the question here.
Akuphendule ibaleka uthi yima mamela mna asiqoqeni ay mamela if wena uyaphuma am I allowed bana ngiphuma nawe ilimi lakho alilingani nalo ndizawuya kuyo xa uthi slender is different from this dude which means ilimi lakho alilingani nalo namenza uphuma kuyo.
No, when you pay.
Guys, let's get a show, guys. I'll give it to you. It's gonna be too long. Okay,
take care of topic here.
Uthina guys. Ayazi. Ukuthi kunjani ukuba nesidudla nesilenda or isilenda nesilenda
Guys,
Okay, Pendula, you take care. Because the episode's gonna be too long.
Asikuphile ngomageba manje.
Uzulu. Sure.
Mina ngithi kule topic yami. Okay, sharp uke mention ukuthi thina sifuna ukuthatha isikhathi sakudala senze isikhathi samanje. Sisichange isikhathi samanje ukuthi intombazane nayo kumele ibe nama boyfriend awu2. Mina ngithi okay, mina angihambiselani nayo lento leyo because like okay,
ufuna cheatela.
Besides ukucheatela nami mina ngithukile guys. Yabona umuntu ofuna ukuzama umuntu amamvula ikheka nginandaba akazama.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's hear, guys.
Khuluma sisi.
Thina manje. And especially lento lenziwa yithi new generation.
Okay.
Yeah. Asicabanga like amasiko. Buya and esike sakhuluma ngamasiko nje. Ufaka ibuku, ubona nje.
Mina ngibona uzofuna ukubona phansi kwakho.
Mina ngithi sithole like ungahlonipha amasiko because ukakhuluma kusho yethu leya last week ukakhuluma ngeDNA ukuthi umuntu make walala nomuntu kusala iDNA. So like okay, let's say ulala nawe alale naye then uzothi umntana kabani then makaye emadlozini
No, you figure it out.
uzoya kumadlozi
Umntana nazo phuma fane nawe.
Uzokhethela ukuthi uba ubani wena.
No, akusiyo the right leyo because manje siphambanisa amasiko nokwenza like fashion. Fashion.
Ukhulumile uzulu.
Okay guys.
Umanzini
Ngiyabakala umuntu ufuna naye umuntu ayenze into
wena useke cabangela health
yalela if usabugula lonjolo.
Yo.
Okay guys.
Manje thole vala la.
Phela
Guys, tholseka soyivala
every day. The end of the show.
Don't forget to like,
Subscribe.
Also comment.
follow, press The
The follow
notification
button.
button. Listen, like yakubona wena thatha. Hayi wena.
Ngiyakutshela.
I-label kanibona.
Okay, yo man, shout out to T man. She came with some fire.
Yeah,
Like we like your energy.
International.
Like, that's what I call cooking. That's what I call
I'm
cooking.
hoping to see her episode 7.
Yeah,
Cooking, my
shout out man. We're
So,
out.